Let me ask you something. What if one man ideas turned a $10,000 investment into over $100 million? No crypto, no luck, no insider tips. Just thinking differently about money. That man was Benjamin Graham and his student Warren Buffett, the richest investor alive. Today I am giving you 7 lessons from Graham that Wall Street does not want regular people to know. By the end of this video, you will never look at money same way again. Let's go. Lesson number 1. Mr. Market is crazy. Use it. Graham had this idea. He called it market. Imagine you have a business partner. Every single day he knocks on your door and offers to buy your shares of the business or sell you his. But here is the thing. The partner is emotionally unstable. Someday he excited. He offer you a very high price. Someday he scared. He offer you a very low price. Now most people follow Mr. Market mode. When he is happy, they buy. When he is scared, they panic and sell. Graham said, "Do not follow his mode. Use his mode. When Mr. Market is scared and prices are low, this is the when you buy. When he excited and prices are high, that is when you step back. The Mr. Market is not your advisor. The market is your servant. Write that down. Lesson number 2. Always have a margin of safety. Think of it like buying a car for $5,000 that is actually worth $10,000. When something goes wrong, the engine has a small problem, the market dips, you are still safe. You did not overpay. Graham called this gap between price and value the margin of safety. The bigger the gap, the safer your invest. Most investors today they buy things that are already overpriced and hope for more gains. That is not investing, that is gambling. Graham said, never pay full price of a stock. Buy it a discount and let math protect you. A bridge built for 10 tons that only carry 5 ton. That is dangerous. Build your portfolio like a bridge that can handle 3 times the weight. That is margin of safety. Lesson number 3. Now that what you are buying, here is a question. If you bought a pizza shop, would you just look at the price board outside, or would you go inside, check the kitchen, taste the food, look at the numbers? Obviously you will look inside, but most stock investors they just look at the price. Graham said a stock is not a lottery ticket, it is a piece of real business. Before you buy anything, ask think, does this company make money constantly? Does it have too much debt? It is the price of a paying fair, or I am overpaying. If you cannot answer these 3 questions, Graham will say, do not touch it. Investing without understand it's not brave, it's reckless. Lesson number 4. Separate investing for speculation. This lesson will hurt some people, but it need to be said. Graham's had a very clear definition. Investing means you study the business, you buy with safety, you exact reasonable return. Speculation means you guess, you follow hip, you hope to get rich fast. Most people in stock market today think they are investor. Graham will look at them and say, no, you are speculator. Buying a stock because you saw it on social media, speculation. Buying a crypto because your friend got rich, speculation. Buy a meme stock, definitely speculation. Now it's speculation always wrong? Graham said no. But now what you are doing, do not put speculation money in your serious investment account. Keep them separate. Keep your mind clear. Lesson number 5. The intelligent investor control emotions. Here is the truth most finance channel will not tell you. The stock market does not destroy wealth, emotions do. Graham watched people panic in crashes. He watched them go crazy in bombs. And he said the biggest enemy of a good investor is not the market, it is the investor himself. When the price crash, fear makes you sell at the worst time. When price explode, greed makes you buy at the worst time. Graham's solution was simple and powerful. Make your rules before emotion hits. Decide now if this stock drops 20%, I will not sell. I will review the business. Decide now I will invest a fixed amount every month. No matter what the market does. Warren Buffett once said, Ben Graham taught me that the most important quality for investor is temperament, not intellect. Not how smart are you, how calm are you. Lesson number 6, diversify but do not over diversify. Graham have a very practical rule on between 10 and 30 stocks across different industries. Not 3, not 300. If you own 3 stocks, one bad company can destroy you. If you own 300 stocks, you cannot track anything. You are just buying chows. 10 to 30 carefully chosen company that you understand give you 3 things. Protection if one files. Focus you can track each one and rare result over time. Graham also said do not what you do not understand. A business you understand that make boring product is better than an exciting company you know nothing about. Boring and profitable beats exciting and risky every single time. Lesson number 7. Time is the real compound machine. This is the last lesson and maybe the most powerful one. Graham said the market is short term is a voting machine. People vote with emotion, hype wins, fear wins, but in the long term, the market is a waiting machine. Truth wins, real value wins. So, what does that mean for you? It's mean time is your weapon. A company with strong foundation, both of a fair price, will show its true value over years. No days, not weeks, years. Graham started investing in 19th century. He went through the Grand Depressions, through crashes, through wars, and still his method worked because the method was not built on luck. It was built on patience, discipline, and logic. You do not need to be a genius. You need to be a consistent when others are confused. You need to be calm when others are panicking. You need to be long term when everyone else is thinking about tomorrow. So here a gram 7 less one more time fast. One, Mr. Market your servant not your boss. And 2, always have a margin of safety. 3, know what you are buying. 4, know difference between investing and speculation. 5, control your emotion or they will control your money. 6, diversity same art, not little to not too much. Some time patience are your greatest tools. These lessons are almost 10,000 year old and they still work because human nature never change. Fear, greed, panic, hope. Graham understand all of it before any of us born. Now you have the blueprint. Use it. If this video helped you, hit that like button right now. Subscribe because next breaking down exactly how one